Hello everyone, today we are ready with another very important topic. This is related with our professional and practical life. Yes, this is about how to write a resume or CV. Yes, resume. It's resume. It's not resume. It's resume in British English. It's resume in American English. So the right pronunciation for this word is resume. If you want to pronounce it according to British English, it's resume. If American English, resume. So let us learn about resume and CV. What is the difference between resume and CV? Let us start differentiating both the terms. Yes, what is resume or CV? So resume, let us discuss resume first. A resume is 1 or 2 page summary of your skills, work experience and educational details. So it's a 2 page, 1 or 2 page summary of your skills, work experience, educational details, your personal details, even your professional details. Whereas a curriculum vitae, i.e. CV, is a longer and more detailed synopsis which contains information about individuals' skills, knowledge, goals, education and professional experience to describe person the best. So it means CV is a detailed version of resume. It in detail discusses, elaborates your professional, personal and academic qualifications and achievements, and in statement it elaborates your job achievements, your job description, your roles and responsibilities. So this is a detailed description of your resume. So let us discuss now that what are the various components, what are the various parts of a resume or CV. So important points to cover. Name and contact details. Yes, there has to be a caption, a separate component for name and contact details. Second, job objective goal. Job objective means what is your mission statement, what is your objective to join that particular job. Educational details, here you are going to discuss about your educational qualification. Work experiences, wherever you have worked, you are going to share your work experience. Achievements and awards, skills, reports, research and publications, conferences and workshops, training and certifications, references, declaration. So these are the all parts. These are the components of a CV or resume. These must be included in your CV or resume. Now their placement, their positioning may vary because there are variety of templates and formats available nowadays. There are modern formats, there are modern templates. Those templates are there are variety of that. Their placement of these components may change from template to template, but these components are perpetual and permanent, means they must be there, and these must be captioned, tabulated differently in different templates. Now let us discuss this specimen, various components. Now first component, that is name and contact details. You are going to mention the name and contact details at the top right corner. Okay, then you see that the picture, there has to be a picture over here. You are going to place your picture in that right top corner of your resume. Then you can see three liner. Now in three liner, there you can see in three liner you are going to mention your job objective, your mission statement in short, that what is your purpose or how you want to join this organization and how it will benefit from your joining. Then you can see you can have another caption that must be related with your biodata. Okay, this caption must be related with your personal information, which we will discuss in the later part of video, that what kind of things can be mentioned in your biodata. Then you can make a separate caption of your personal qualification, means your educational qualification, how academically you have achieved something in the terms of degrees. You can make a separate caption like this. Then you can make a separate caption of your professional qualification, what supporting degrees you have achieved in the job required. So you can make a separate caption like this. Likewise, you are going to make separate captions for your work experience. You can also make your separate caption for achievements and awards. Okay, so you can caption all these. Okay, and in the last you will mention your reference. Now in resume you can do one thing. You can write references will be submitted when required. But if you are writing CV, then you are going to mention those references and declaration of those references. Remember, as I said, CV is a detailed version of your resume. So let us discuss in name and contact details what we should mention. Your full name, your mobile number, email ID and address. Now name and contact details can be of two nature. Number one, your residential. Number two, your postal. If both are same, you can mention only one. If there are a separate residential address and separate postal or office address, you can mention them both separately at the top corners of your resume or even CV. The next component is job objective or goal. Yes, this is the most important thing after your address. You must mention your mission statement, your personal statement in at least 3 to 4 lines. 3 to 4 lines which must depict, which must reflect your conviction, your dedication, that why you want to join this particular organization for that particular job. It must discuss your career interest, work environment and organizational dedication that you want to show in that personal or mission statement. Then next component, personal details. Now this is biodata. Now what should be there? There should be at least name, your father name even, date of birth, language is known, your permanent address, your sex, your marital status. So this is what we call biodata or personal information. The another component, educational details. Now make sure you are going to separately tabulate it. Make tabulated form of educational information. Table should contain all required information like class, percentage, school, college name, university name and year of passing. Class sequence should be reversed as given below. Yes, you can see that start from your recent degree, your recent achievement in the degree like doctorate, go for post graduation, graduation, 12th or HSC, then the matriculation. This should be your descending order of your educational details, and there should be separate captions for the name of the degree, the year of passing, the percentage, the board or university name and even specialization. So you have to tabulate your educational details with these captions. And remember, the order should be descending order. Start from the most recent degree which you have done. The next component is work experience. Yes, you are going to mention your work experience in resume. Name of company, address of company, job designation, period of job, salary package and job profile. If you are writing a CV, then go for salary package and job profile as well. Means job profile, you are going to discuss your JDs, your job description, roles and responsibilities. If you want to enhance your resume, then it will be converted into CV. Then comes skills, reports, research and publications. If you are going to discuss only first 3 points, then it's resume. If you are going to mention all these 6 points, then this resume is enhanced and enriched into CV. For example, the first thing that you can mention is IT skills, software skills required for that particular job, computer knowledge, core skills, project reports with title and description, research work, publications by you. So later 3 points, these mentioned ones, the resume is converted into CV, because resume is a shorter one, and CV, demands detailed enhancement of your achievements. So let's discuss another component of your resume: training and certifications. Yes, training and certification have a separate caption: details of industrial training during graduation and post graduation, time period of training, name of industry along with address, details of various certifications received by industry or other certifications done in special topics or subjects. So do mention these things in detail, or if even you mention it in a caption, then it's fine for resume. But if you are going to discuss in detail, then it's better for the CV. Another caption that you can give, that is achievements and awards: academic, sports, cultural events, other activities, and competition. You can make a separate table in resume, but if in the case of CV, you can give it in the statement forms. So next component is conferences and workshops. Details of attended conferences and workshops that include name, period, location, and description of those conferences or workshops. What was the agenda? What was the theme of those conferences and workshop? You can give the detail and description of that conference or workshop separately. Then comes references and declaration. Now references are very important because referees are the guarantors that whatever details are given, they are correct and authentic and reliable. So what references include? Name of the referee, contact number, email of some references. References should be selected properly. In last declaration that I do hereby declare that the information given above is true to the best of my knowledge with name, date and place. This is what the declaration must be given by the referee, because he or she is your guarantor. They guarantee that whatever details have been given in resume or CV are authentic and true, and referees must give this declaration. In some cases, students and different professionals write that references would be provided or submitted when required. If not, then you are going to declare your referees and declaration may be signed by those referees. That would be very much authentic and very effective. Here you can see a specimen resume where you can see how all these components have been materialized, how these components have been substantiated. You can take a snapshot of this and take it as an example, and you can enrich it further. You can modify it. Remember that resume and CV are not fixed. They vary job to job, person to person. It depends on the vacancy. What is the requirement over there? What kind of roles and responsibilities they are looking for? What kind of JDs they are looking for? You can convert your CV or resume according to the demand of the employer. So if you are going to update it according to that, then you are going to certainly win the situation and you are going to get the job. I hope you have understood the resume and CV writing very well. I hope that you are going to write professional and official kind of CVs and resumes, so that you can prosper your career and you can achieve what you want to achieve in your career. I hope you have learned a lot today and you have become a professional CV writer or resume writer. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.